In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a VEO3 account. To get started, the first thing you need is a Google account. If you don't already have one, go to Google and click Create Account. From there, enter the basic information requested, such as your name, birthday, email address, and password, then complete Google's verification process. Make sure you use details you can access later, since this account will be tied to your VEO access. Once your account is ready, sign in using the Google account you want to use for VEO. It's important to log in with the correct account from the beginning, especially if you use multiple Google accounts, because your eligibility, plan access, and project files will all be connected to that login. Next, decide where you want to use VEO. You can access it through Gemini or through Google Flow. If your goal is a more dedicated video generation workflow, Google Flow is the better choice, since it's designed specifically for creating and working with AI-generated video projects. Before you go further, check your eligibility. At the moment, Google Flow typically requires that you be at least 18 years old, have your age verified, and be located in a supported region. If any of those requirements are not met, access may be limited. You may also need to choose a Google AI plan. Flow is generally available to eligible Google AI Plus Pro and Ultra subscribers, and the Pro and Ultra plans can include additional usage and credits. So if access is locked or certain features are unavailable, this is one of the first things you should verify. After that, open Google Flow on a computer using a Chromium-based browser, such as Google Chrome, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, create a new project and choose the video generation option. This will take you into the workspace where you can start building your first AI video. From there, select a VEO model. Depending on your account access, you may see options like VEO 3.1, Light, Fast, or Quality. Be sure to check the model selector carefully before generating, because different models can use different amounts of credits. Now enter your video prompt. Describe clearly what you want the video to look like. For example, you could type something like a cinematic sunset over a tropical beach, with gentle waves, realistic lighting, and slow camera movement. The more specific and visual your prompt is, the better your results are likely to be. Then click Generate and wait while Flow processes your request. Once the video is ready, review the result by previewing it. If it's not quite what you wanted, adjust your prompt and generate another version. Finally, you can either download the video or keep editing inside Flow. You can continue refining your clip and even build it into larger scenes and more complete story sequences. That's it. You've successfully set up access and started using VEO3.